nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will make this super refreshing and good for weight loss chia drink. Let's begin. We only need: first, cut the lemon. Then squeeze it to get the juice. Now, let's add 3 tablespoonfuls of chia seeds. Then add 1 stick of your chosen artificial sweetener. Then, let's fill our glass with cold water. Stir it for 30 seconds. This is good for people who are trying to lose some weight. After mixing, refrigerate it for about 20 minutes. We can now enjoy this super refreshing drink. It has that perfect taste of sweet and sour. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this video.